is the implementation for detection of fuse blown in a distributed transformer and passing that information to your mobile number using GSM. Okay. Now first let us see the hardware components. This is the step down transformer. The input supply voltage for this is 230 volts AC and output is 12 volts AC, and this is the power supply board. It converts the 12 volts AC into a DC and regulates it to 12 volts and 5 volts DC supplies. And this is the GSM module for sending the messages to your mobile number. And this one is Arduino Uno board where our application code is running, and it is based on Atmega 328P microcontroller, and that controller is operated at 16 MHz clock frequency. And this is the LCD module for monitoring the data. It shows the what is the current of the load. Now there is no current, so it is showing 137 milliamps, around 137 milliamps as a current. And this is the current sensor. It measures the current of the load. Okay, so now as of now there is no any load. So whenever the current is greater than 1200 milliamps, then in that case you will get a message alert as overcurrent fuse blown. Otherwise you will not get a message alert because that is considered as normal load. Now first I am placing this 10 watt bulb. So now I switched off the supply and I am placing this bulb. Now I am switching on the supply. Now see, in this case current is around 200 milliamps. So it is considered as normal load. So in this case fuse burning will not be occurred. Now I am placing this is the 200 watt bulb, means it is considered as a higher load, means overload. See, now in this case current is greater than 1200 milliamps, so you will get a message alert. Okay. So this is the message. So like this you will get a message alert whenever overcurrent detected. So based on the current you are detecting whether fuse will burn or not. So here you are measuring the current using current sensor. So finally I am concluding that whenever the current is greater than 1200 milliamps, then in that case it considered as a overload and you will get a message alert. Okay. So this is the system generally used at power systems and distributed transformer system, and some home appliances also. Okay. Thank you.